So most people don't know about this, but you can secure multiple airdrops by using this website called Arbiter.finance. It's basically a website where you can bridge many layer 2 protocols which have upcoming airdrops. And why I'm bullish is because Arbiter Finance raised millions of dollars from these VC capital firms. And looking at the fact that you can collect points on this website, it just proves that Arbiter Finance will drop their own token as well. And here is a tutorial on how you can collect all of these multiple airdrops. So you basically go on this website. The website is called Arbiter.finance, and this is a bridge website. And the best part is that you can basically qualify for multiple airdrops by bridging, for example, from Base to Scroll network, and you will basically get a few transactions, or doesn't matter, you can make as many bridge transactions as you want and basically collect transactions, and you will secure bigger airdrop from these networks because you will have many transactions. But one thing I want to recommend is that you hold at least $50 on all of these networks that you want to qualify to get some airdrop. For example, put $50 worth of Ethereum on Base, on Linea, on ZkSync era. What else? We have Scroll, Zora. I think Mode hasn't dropped the airdrop as well, so you can qualify for Mode by doing some bridge transactions. And what you do is basically, for example, I have some Base tokens and I want to bridge them to Zora. So for example, I take 0.01, let's take 0.005 Base Ethereum and send it to Mode. It will ask to approve the, first it will ask to switch network from Base, so you have that Base transaction. Now you press confirmation and just confirm transaction, and so now I will have another Base transaction and I will get a bigger airdrop allocation for my Base airdrop. Here you can see how it sends to Mode network, and later I can send my Mode tokens, my Mode Ethereum back to other networks and collect some transactions on Mode protocol, you know. And one more good thing is that Arbiter Finance hasn't dropped its token yet, and you can collect points by sending Ethereum from layer 2 to layer 2. So you basically secure, I think, 5 to 6 airdrops, the Arbiter included. Right here you can see 151 points. There are different quests and tasks that you can do to get more points. I will probably do most of these because you can get like 20 points, 5 points, and the best part is the transactions on these layer 2s cost few cents to few dollars at max, so you can easily just farm and get your transactions in. And I want to remind you that hold at least $50 to $100 on each of these networks. For example, $50 worth of Ethereum on Zora, on Scrolla, on Mode, basically every one that hasn't dropped the airdrop, because the requirements for the airdrops are getting bigger and bigger. If you know about the Starknet, you had at least 0.0005 Ethereum to secure the airdrop, because I don't know why they had a big backlash, but I think as we approach the bull run and we get closer and closer to the crypto euphoria, the requirements will be bigger and bigger. So yeah, you basically hold some 50 worth of Ethereum on all of these layer 2s and you will probably secure your airdrop. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Press subscribe, press thumbs up if you want more alpha. Press the notification bell so you get notifications as soon as I upload a video, because there are many time limited opportunities that I will share. So if you press this notifications button, you will get a upload notification like instantly, and you will get the alpha instantly. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment some ideas or some airdrops, whatever, and thanks for watching.